discuss today, right? I'm going to keep it very plain, simple and very interactive. As you all promised, I want everyone's attention and also be interactive, right? We're talking about entrepreneurship, we're talking about risk take capabilities, we're talking about thinking out of box, we're talking about a lot of things. That means we need your attention, that means we need all of you to get interactive and talk. So first part of this conversation is going to be around understanding entrepreneurship. What is entrepreneurship? What is the buzz around entrepreneurship? I'm sure most of you must have watched either a Shark Tank or the AHA show that has come up, or maybe some of the movies like Wolf of Wall Street and so on, right? What is the buzz about all of this? So that is what we're going to talk about in the first part, or that's understanding entrepreneurship. The second part is identifying opportunities. There are several opportunities that each of us sitting in this room have after your engineering as well, or during your engineering. So we'll be talking about how to identify opportunities, how to identify problems and work on. Then we quickly touch upon starting and growing a startup. What is a startup? How do we grow that? What are the elements needed to grow a startup and so on? And of course the fourth part, which is very crucial and important, how do you overcome challenges while doing entrepreneurship? I hope this is going to be interesting. The first part, as I told you, is going to be around understanding entrepreneurship. What is entrepreneurship? This is a very bookish definition, right? Most of you have said, I got to hear what is entrepreneurship from several of you. But this is a very bookish definition that you see on top of it. Entrepreneurship is the dynamic process of identifying opportunities. You identify opportunities, taking calculated risks, creating innovative solutions to address unmet needs or problems, resulting in the formation and growth of new businesses and revitalization of existing ones. There are some words that are highlighted here. The first one is, of course, identifying opportunities. As an entrepreneur, what do? We look at opportunities. There are a lot of areas where most of you might have thought about something, right? Simple example, how much would a Pani Puri Bandi fellow be making? You would have done the calculation, roz ki 10 plate ammutadu or 100 plate ammutadu 10 rupayalu at that time. You would have come to a calculation. That is the opportunity that we are talking about. How do you identify opportunities? You travel from your place, your house to college every day and back. There are a lot of things that you might be seeing on the way. How do you identify those opportunities? That is what we are going to talk about. What is calculated risks? Can we just take whatever risks come to our way? Just yes or no? Guys, come on. We have to be interactive. Sorry? Good. Depends on several things. So, just a yes or a no, can we take risks? Just risks. Yes? Good. We need to take calculated risks and creating innovative solutions. It is very important the solutions that you come up should be innovative in nature. Can these solutions have already been done somewhere? Maybe. Can we copy some innovative solution which is across the globe? Yes, not a problem. That is what we talk about in creating new businesses or revitalization of existing ones. You might have something which already exists there, but you got to Indianize that. You got to localize that. You got to understand how is that particular business or function that's going to work in your scenario. Innovative solutions to address unmet needs or problems. There are several needs that each of you or your people that you meet with, you might have a lot of needs which are not addressed, which exist out there. How do you do that? That is what entrepreneurship is all about. What is this? Entrepreneurial mindset. We need not be an entrepreneur to have entrepreneurial mindset. Entrepreneurial mindset is the mindset that you need to carry while solving problems, while identifying opportunities. It can be while addressing some of your assignments. It can be while taking your examinations. It can be while you give out the seminar, you talk about your major project, minor projects. Anyway, entrepreneurial mindset is something that is very important that all of us in this room should be having. What is entrepreneurial mindset? You see some list of traits that you see on the screen. One is vision. Of course, you need to have a vision towards what your purpose or or your life purpose is. Why are you here? What are you doing? Why are you studying CSE, EC, whatever you are studying? What are we doing here? You need to have a vision. It is very important that you have both long-term visions and short-term vision in terms of reaching your goal. Having a vision is of course part of your entrepreneurial mindset. Risk-taking ability. I heard all of you want to take risks when I was talking about calculated risks. Risk-taking ability is the most important element of entrepreneurial mindset. You need to know when to take risks. There are a lot of areas that as young students you take risks, right? Some of you might be doing wheelies on your motorbikes. Some of you might be doing adventure sports. Some of you might be doing marathon runs. There are all risks that you need to take while having the mindset of entrepreneurship. Persistence, of course, there will be a lot of ups, there will be a lot of downs, but it is very important that you be persistent, you be focused towards your goal. You need to move ahead in achieving the vision that you have established. Again, guys, I'm telling you, this is a mindset. You need not be an entrepreneur to have this mindset. This is something that each of us should have in our daily life. Continuous learning. It's important that you keep learning everything every day from everywhere. Even when you're, as I told you, when you step out of your house to come to college and then go back, there will be a lot of learnings that you have during this journey as well. So you need to learn. You need to learn from people. You need to learn from your esteemed faculty. You need to learn from your peers from other departments. You need to know what they're doing.